in this clip I'm going to explain to you real quickly how to make an Irish cream steamer. This is basically just going to be the steamed milk and then your flavor. It sounds really, really fancy, but it's not. Yeah, if you have like kids in the house or people who don't like coffee, this is a great drink to make because it doesn't have espresso. Alright, we got our milk steamed. All we're going to do, we got our sugar-free Irish cream. 1, 2, 3 pumps. And there you are. It's basically like a hot chocolate, except it's going to be Irish cream flavored. Remember though, if you are going to make something with fruit flavors, to cut it with vanilla. Or if you have like a thick syrup like chocolate, you can cut it with that too, and it's not going to curdle. And that is how you make an Irish cream steamer, also known as a creamer steamer.